Hi, at ReasonLabs, we provide enterprise-grade protection for all your personal devices. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to activate real-time protection on your RAV Endpoint Protection. As you can see, RAV Endpoint Protection is already installed and protecting your device. Enabling the real-time protection feature keeps your computer safe by detecting and neutralizing threats, including malware, spyware, adware, and suspicious apps, in real time before they can harm your device. Real-time protection also blocks applications and processes that attempt to perform malicious actions that will harm your device or exploit your personal data. The real-time protection feature includes the following. File anti-malware protection. This scans all files that are downloaded, opened, created, or in current use. Network protection. This prevents malicious applications from accessing to your network connections. Application protection. This monitors the activity of all applications and blocks suspicious actions. In order to activate the real-time protection feature, first click Settings on the left menu bar. You'll find it in the lower left corner of the application screen. Then, on the Protection tab, click on Enable Real-Time Protection. Real-time protection is now activated. You're all set. If you have any question regarding this or any other feature, please contact us via the Help widget, and one of our customer support representatives will be happy to assist. Thank you for watching. Stay cyber safe.